Alright, it's a beautiful Saturday morning, nice and cool. And the charge today is, I had a windshield guy come. Look at that. I'm gonna have to fix that. That's unfortunate. So I need to fix that today. I need to put the door panel in. We've decided to switch the grill to a 83 model style. So got that to do. And a bunch of other things. So I'm going to work away on all that. I'm going to sit here a minute and see what I'm in the mood for, and then go for it, I guess. I see the boys been out here. Here's where we're at. This is some it's a heat sink gel. I guess it's working. Trouble is you can't use air to cool this off because it'll blow the gel away. Anyway, we're getting it. We just ain't got it. I had to fire up the MIG welder to get there because it's double layer. I done put some rust treatment on it now. So we're going to let that cure. Give it a second application. And then clean it up and paint just that spot. And then the windshield man can come along and put the windshield in it. We put a new seal in the back glass, but he used the wrong seal. So he's going to come back and do that again. Supposed to have the chrome strip in it. See there? Should I make him do it or just let her be? Nobody'd ever know but me. I don't know. Oh yeah, and I'm here by myself today. The wife and little miss are gone to Virginia. I'm sure all you older folks have been through the teenage years and all that, and they start coming around again when they're in their 20s. So that's kind of where we're at. I'm happy for it. Happy. Alright, let me be happy and keep working on this truck. Alright, now that we got her up on the lift, what I gotta do is, we may got a little overspray, so I'm gonna, like Voice Script Garage says, rebuild all that. And paint it black. I gotta put a couple more screws in my trim here. Got new trim. Need to do that on all four. Really need some new lug nuts here, don't we? The little caparonis come off there. Alright. That's what we're going to do. Do something, even if it's wrong. And I'm going to... I've got on the LS motor, I'll show you. Oh yeah, I got to tighten the bumper bolts too. I gotta pull that little dual ollie right there off and put a different one on so that I can hook up my oil pressure sensor. And it looks like I made the lead plenty long enough, huh? Also, I think I'm missing one of them little rods for the emergency brake cable. I gotta figure that out. But one thing at a time. Maybe I could pull that tape off there. I think I'm going to do the oil pressure deal first. I've been knowing I need to do that for a long time. Hey, look. If you go to www.mrheavychevy.com, you too can be as good looking as Handsome Jack.
Well, close to it.
If you buy you one of them t-shirts. Alright, here's the deal I'm going to use. There's my oil pressure sensor. That's the one I took off. I'm going to put this on. It's got a little O-ring. Real easy. Real easy. That looks better. Black. Alright, see what we're up against back here? We got some overspray. We got some screws missing. We need to fix all that without getting our tailpipe black. I just fired it up and backed it up. Happily, it's got 80 pounds oil pressure. Man, that's a good looking truck, ain't it? Should I do the grill now or the door panel? I think I'm going to do the door panel. Alright, let's see how we did it. We didn't do too good because I'm missing a couple of them clips that go on the bottom there. But plastic clips that the screws go in. But it looks good. Don't it? Alright. I think what I'm going to do next is the grill. I got new trim for this, but I don't like it. It has a step in it. I think it looks better with this. I'm going to make the executive decision to leave the original on it. Now, when the young man what owns this thing, if he has time not playing golf or something like that, reviews this video, he may dispute that, but we shall see. See there, it's got a step in it. It's my opinion. Step ain't as good. So that's just my opinion. It's starting to get a little warm out here. I ain't running the air conditioner. I'm not going to either. Have anybody noticed how much the power bills are lately? Good grannies. Alright, I'm going to change the headlights now. I got new headlights. Alright, new headlights installed. Went pretty smooth. A couple screws weren't no good. Had to replace those. Now let's get out the corner headlight moldings. It's hard to believe, but this real quick job is turning into a nightmare because the fasteners they provide aren't even really one-time use. You can't get the nut tight. They start spinning the stud. Highly aggravating. Yeah, GM restoration parts. Factory stuff, much better. I'm even taking a pair of needle nose vice grips, clamping on the stud, starting the nut while I hold it. It's a real challenge. What a pain! But it looks good. It had white pinstripe in here, but I put gold, and I think it looks great. I think it looks great. It's gonna be great. That's way better than the 82 grill, I think. Yeah. I think that really sets it off. I'm super happy with that. Looks like we got some overspray on the bumper a little bit. Gotta get that off. Some steel wool. Oh yeah, she's looking good. Let's see if my friend who owns this truck likes it. It was a pain. Because of them studs. Sure was. Alright. I'm going to ring the bell now. We'll go to the next episode later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you can buy a shirt like you saw the little man wearing. Wait. The young man. This truck's coming along. I'm going to finish up that a little bit of painting there in the windshield. Then the man come put the windshield in. And I screwed up the, what you call it, right here. So I got to repaint that. And where is it? Where is it? That's where the gas door's at. Should be better than that. Alright, that's it for tonight. See ya.